Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Have you ever noticed how the number 11 seems to pop up in your life more than any other number? From the time you glance at the clock to the number of messages in your inbox, it's as if the number 11 is trying to grab your attention. But have you ever wondered what the significance of this number might be? From ancient cultures to modern pop culture, number 11 holds a powerful and mysterious energy. Join us as we explore the history, meaning, and occurrences of this powerful number and discover the ways in which it may be influencing your life. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of number 11? Number 11 is considered to be a master number in numerology, holding a powerful energy and significance. It is often associated with spiritual awakening, intuition, and higher knowledge. In many cultures, number 11 is believed to be a lucky number and is thought to hold a sacred energy. It is also a number that appears frequently in pop culture, from movies and TV shows to music and literature. But why is number 11 so significant? This video will explore the history of number 11, its meaning in numerology, and its occurrences in popular culture to give you a deeper understanding of the powerful energy this number holds. Join us as we unlock the secrets of number 11 and discover how it may be influencing your life. Number 11 has a rich history that spans across cultures and time periods. From ancient civilizations to modern times, number 11 has been perceived and used in many different ways. In ancient Egypt, number 11 was believed to hold a sacred energy and was often associated with the afterlife and the journey of the soul. The ancient Chinese also held number 11 in high regard, seeing it as a symbol of harmony and balance. In more recent history, number 11 has been used in many different ways. In Christianity, it is believed that the number 11 symbolizes the apostles, with Judas Iscariot being the 11th apostle who betrayed Jesus. In the early 20th century, number 11 was used as a symbol of revolution and political change. But it's not just the history of number 11 that is fascinating, it's also the way it continues to appear in our modern culture. Have you ever heard of the term 1111? Many people believe that when they see this sequence of numbers, it's a sign from the universe. This belief is so widespread that it has led to an entire subculture of people who believe that 1111 is a powerful manifestation number. But why does number 11 hold such significance throughout history and across cultures? Join us as we delve deeper into the history of number 11 to uncover its mysterious energy and explore the ways in which it may still be influencing our lives today. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of number 11 and discover how it may be holding hidden meanings in your own life? If you are interested in numerology, self-development, and synchronicities, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification on to learn the hidden meanings and secrets of life. Number 11 has been referenced in many interesting and notable ways throughout history. In ancient Egypt, the 11th hour of the night was believed to be the hour when the god of the afterlife, Anubis, weighed the hearts of the dead. In tarot, the 11th card is the Justice card, symbolizing balance, fairness, and the idea of moral right and wrong. In literature, number 11 has been referenced in many notable works such as Jade Salinger's The Catcher in the Rye, in which the protagonist Holden Caulfield is 11 years old. In music, the number 11 has been referenced in songs such as November Rain by Guns N' Roses and 11th Dimension by Julian Casablancas. These references to number 11 throughout history and in pop culture make it clear that this number holds a powerful energy and significance. But what does this all mean for you? Join us as we explore the meaning of number 11 in numerology and how it may be influencing your life. If you're interested in learning more about manifestation, numerology, and self-improvement, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next video on the subject. Let's unlock the secrets of number 11 together and discover how it can play a role in your own personal growth and understanding. In numerology, number 11 is considered to be a master number, along with the numbers 22 and 33. The energy of a master number is thought to be more powerful and intense than other numbers. The number 11 is often associated with spiritual awakening and enlightenment, as it is believed to hold a high vibration and to be connected to the spiritual realm. It is often referred to as the Illuminator, as it is thought to bring heightened intuition, psychic abilities, and spiritual insight. Number 11 is also associated with leadership, self-expression, and creativity, making it a powerful number for those who are looking to make a difference in the world. In terms of symbolism, the number 11 is often associated with the duality of opposites. The number 1 represents individuality, self-reliance, and assertiveness, while the number 2 represents balance, harmony, and cooperation. Together, the number 11 is thought to represent the balance between these two energies and the ability to bring together seemingly opposite forces. Number 11 is also associated with the idea of balance and harmony, as it is believed to represent the balance between the spiritual and material worlds. This balance can be seen in the number's representation of the 11th hour, which marks the transition between night and day, and the 11th card in the tarot deck, the Justice card, which symbolizes balance and fairness. Overall, the number 11 holds a lot of significance in numerology, and it is considered as a powerful number that can bring spiritual awakening, heightened intuition, and balance in one's life. So, if you keep seeing 11s all over the place, notice how you feel and know that you might be on the right path. Sometimes it also could be a hint to change direction. That's why you have to focus on your intuition and particular feeling at that exact moment. In numerology, the number 11 can manifest in a person's life in a variety of ways, depending on their numerology chart. Here are a few examples. A person with the number 11 appearing in their destiny number may be someone who is highly intuitive, spiritually inclined, and may have a strong desire for spiritual growth and enlightenment. They may be natural leaders and have a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. A person with the number 11 appearing in their soul urge number may be someone who is deeply in tune with their intuition and inner guidance. They may be drawn to creative and self-expressive pursuits and may have a strong desire to share their talents and gifts with the world. A person with the number 11 appearing in their life path number may be someone who is highly intuitive and may have a strong connection to the spiritual realm. They may be natural leaders and may have a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. They may also be drawn to careers in fields such as teaching, healing, and counseling, as they have a natural ability to guide and inspire others. It is important to note that numerology is not a science, and the interpretation of the numbers may vary depending on the source. However, in general terms, number 11 can manifest in many ways, and it is often related to spiritual awakening, intuition, leadership, self-expression, and creativity. Number 11 has been referenced and alluded to in various forms of popular culture, including film, music, and literature. Here are a few examples. Film. The number 11 has been referenced in several films such as Inception, where the protagonist team enters the dream on the 11th level, Stranger Things, which features the number 11 in its storyline, and the number 23, in which the protagonist becomes obsessed with the number 23, which is a product of 11. Music. The number 11 has been referenced in many songs such as November Rain by Guns N' Roses, in which the couple gets married on November 11. 11th Dimension by Julian Casablancas, and 11 by Taylor Swift, which is a song about a girl who is 11 years old. Literature. The number 11 has been referenced in many books such as The Catcher in the Rye by J.T. Salinger, in which the protagonist Holden Caulfield is 11 years old. The 11th Hour by Anthony Horowitz, and The Number 11 by Jonathan Coe, which is a novel about the number 11 and its significance in the lives of the characters. These references to the number 11 in popular culture make it clear that this number holds a powerful energy and significance. The number 11 is often associated with spiritual awakening, intuition, and higher knowledge, which is why it is often used as a symbol in many forms of art and culture. The number 11 is often seen as a sign of good luck or a message from the universe that can manifest in many different ways. There are several reasons why number 11 seems to be a recurring theme in pop culture. One reason is that the number 11 holds a powerful energy and significance in numerology, and is often associated with spiritual awakening, intuition, and higher knowledge. This energy is thought to be particularly powerful and may manifest in a person's life in various ways. Another reason is that the number 11 is often seen as a sign of good luck or a message from the universe. Many people believe that when they see the number 11, it is a reminder to pay attention to their intuition and to be open to new possibilities. Additionally, number 11 has been used as a symbol in many cultures and time periods, which has contributed to its recurring theme in pop culture. The number 11 is often associated with balance, harmony, and the idea of moral right and wrong. It is also associated with the idea of duality and the balance between the spiritual and material worlds. These ideas and concepts can be easily incorporated into art and culture and make number 11 a recurring theme. Lastly, the number 11 is a prime number and have mathematical properties that make it interesting and appealing to use it in different subjects. In summary, the number 11 is a powerful and significant number that holds a lot of meaning and significance. Its energy is thought to be particularly powerful, and it is often seen as a sign of good luck or a message from the universe. Additionally, its historical and symbolic significance, combined with its mathematical properties, make it appealing to be used as a recurring theme in pop culture. In this video, we explored the significance of number 11, delving into its history, meaning, and occurrences in popular culture. we discussed how number 11 is considered to be a master number in numerology, holding a powerful energy and significance. It is often associated with spiritual awakening, intuition, and higher knowledge. We also discussed the history of number 11 and how it has been perceived and used throughout different cultures and time periods. We highlighted some particularly interesting or notable references to number 11 in history. Furthermore, we explained the significance of number 11 in numerology, including its meanings and symbolism, and provided examples of how number the 11th of May manifest in a person's life, based on their numerology chart. Lastly, we discussed the various references and allusions to number 11 in pop culture, such as in films, music, and literature, and explored the reasons behind why number 11 seems to be a recurring theme in pop culture. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the significance of number 11. I hope that this video has given you a deeper understanding of the powerful energy and meaning behind this unique number. I encourage you to take some time to reflect on the ways in which number the 11th of May be influencing your own life, and to explore the topic further if you're interested. Share your thoughts on the significance of number 11 in the comments below, and don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on manifestation, numerology, and self-improvement. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future